Well, hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I do this date night glam, or at least the glam that I did for my date. Hello again. So today I am just going to start fully barefaced. Sometimes I don't know if I need to do my eyebrows off camera or on camera, so I've just been switching it back and forth to doing it on camera, off camera, because some people have not watched my other videos. So let's get to it. So of course I'm starting off with my Smashbox primer. This is my favorite primer, and actually the only primer I have at the moment that I feel like works very well. And this is just the powder foundation. This powder just sets in the primer that I have because the primer is kind of dewy, and so I don't like just putting on the primer and putting all my makeup on top of it, because then I feel like it's all, I don't know, not slimy, but you know, not comfortable to work with. So here is just a speedy tutorial of me doing my eyebrows, and I use the Anastasia. I think mine is dark brown or brown, one of the two, because my hair looks really black, but my hair is actually really dark brown, so the black I feel like looks too dark on me, so I always just go with the chocolate or dark brown. Blending is key, and this is the Bare Minerals concealer. I have always actually used Bare Minerals for my concealer under my eyes. I just feel like they've always had a good product, and they used to actually have a different casing on it, and then they switched it and I couldn't find it at first, but I found it, and this is the one that I chose. And I don't like putting a lighter concealer underneath my eyes to make my eyes pop. I usually just like them to look super natural. Yeah, also, whenever I do my concealer, I always try to do it a little bit higher up since I don't do a full foundation. I just put it a little up so it blends naturally with my skin. So I am just putting on my concealer, a liquid concealer that is going to be lighter than my skin tone. And actually, I have had this concealer for way too long, and it's actually not good. Like, literally, it's just old. And I've still been using it because I didn't get another one, but yeah. If your concealer is burning your eyes, don't use it. And right here, I was trying to use this purple that I had, which was also very old, but it was just not working. Like, every time I put it on my eyes, it was just like weird. And then I also tried putting like coconut oil to like get it to come off, and that just was not working, as you can see. Guys, I really tried to make it work, but yeah, it did not come out the way I needed it to. No. So I decided just to use what I had from my newer Morphe palette. Even though it's not as light as I wanted it to be, it still worked for the look I was doing. So I'm just putting this all around my eye on the top part. And if you know me from my looks, I like to use different colors. I don't like to be like normal colors, so I'm using a purple and a blue, which don't usually blend together, but I wanted to try something different and just blend. And also, the trick that I have learned is that if you're trying to blend two colors that don't normally go together, dip both of your colors into your palette, like a little of each, and use like a little bit of a harder brush to like really buff it out, and they actually blend pretty nicely. And then I just use my concealer just to clean up any lines or any powder that's kind of spilled over. And now I'm using the liquid concealer to line my eyes. I know this is kind of like a trend in a lot of my looks, but I just think it just looks good on my eyes. Like, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think I should try to like do other types of like cutting of my eyes, like different creases, or do you think this one just looks nice on my eyes? He loves to come mess with me while I'm doing my makeup videos. So, of course, you guys are going to see him a lot more. Okay, so I'm using this sparkly green. Actually, I'm mixing them together, that's right. So I use a sparkly green, but sometimes it's not super pigmented, so I add some of the other green on top of it, kind of to bring forth that color of the green, so it doesn't just look like, you know, like a shimmery white. And there is the other eye. So I'm using this sparkle color to kind of put in between the creases. I like putting another color between two colors that don't go together because I feel like it ties in together. And I usually either use another shadow, like a sparkly shadow, or use a liner, something of that nature. Because sometimes when the colors are just so different, I just feel like they look kind of weird. But that's just me. And then I'm using this darker purple just to put underneath my eyes, just to bring all the colors together. If you guys want to recreate this look, please let me know, or tag me, or put it in the comments, or give me a link to your YouTube video so I can see if you, or a link to anything if you want to tag me in anything. My Instagram is a little bit of me, a dot before the L on Instagram. So DM me or hashtag Starr fam. I don't know. If you come up with anything, let me know in the comments. So yeah, since I'm not doing a full face, I'm just making sure that I don't got any bags underneath my eyes. My skin's pretty clear, so I usually don't really need to do any full foundation. So I'm just basically doing final touches. Yep, so I like these cool transitions. Editing has become super fun. But yeah, this was the outfit that I ended up wearing on my date night. So we ended up going to dinner and going to see a movie. And so I wanted to take the time to do, it's not really a get ready with me, but I wanted to take the time to, I don't know, create another cute makeup look for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave comments below. Leave comments below if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to see me do more. And thank you so much for the current subscribers that I have. And welcome to the new ones, hopefully. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also ring that bell. Yep, see, I always get these cues wrong. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification down below. I hope you enjoyed. I know I keep saying that, but hey, I'm still getting used to these little voiceovers. Bye, my peeps. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.